A warning tonight before you hand over any old device for an upgrade: wipe everything.
Yeah, that's right. With the help of an expert, I-Team reporter Jackie Callaway was able to uncover the most personal information on old laptops she bought on the streets of Tampa Bay.
An old bill. We'll see what it has on it. We hit up Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace. Second buy of the day. In search of used laptops. Laptop number 3. I met sellers in fast food parking lots across Pinellas County.
These passwords I was able to get in about 45 seconds.
In some cases, the owners sold the devices for parts.
We pulled the hard drive out of it.
But in all 6 units, Pinellas Computer's Chief Technology Officer Ryan Malais found the hard drives intact.
That's where all the information lives.
We hit personal information pay dirt on 3 of the devices.
Shy of their favorite pet's name, it's all here.
This lady sold me a broken HP for $22.
So it's probably worth thousands of dollars worth of information to the right buyer. Phone number, cell, email, social security number.
All the information made it easy to track her down. Was that your old passwords?
Yeah.
I showed her 13 pages of printed data. It included dates of birth, addresses, cell phone numbers, account passwords, and partial social security numbers for multiple family members. We just wanted to ask you if you had any idea this was on your computer.
No, I had no idea.
I first met Jason at a Starbucks in St. Petersburg. Using the data we found on the $60 Dell, I found his home.
I'm Jackie Callaway.
Jason was not happy to hear we found passwords to a number of accounts, even a bank, on his hard drive. We found your Gmail account and your password for Gmail.
Did you guys access any of my accounts?
No, we did not. This consumer said he'd never thought someone might harvest his old computer for personal information.
And it's dangerous. It's nothing less than dangerous.
And I paid $30 for this Toshiba. Ryan quickly located a backup of all the data on someone's iPhone.
Lots and lots of files in here.
We paid a total of $112 for the 3 laptops that contained all of this personal information, all of which Pinellas Computers deleted.
Lots of detail. You could pretty much pretend to be this person, no problem.
Before you get rid of any old computer, remove the hard drive and have it professionally wiped. That's going to run you about $30. If you want to save the money and do it yourself, all you need is a screwdriver. Puncture a couple of holes in that hard drive and listen for the rattle. If you hear it shake, your drive is dead. I'm Jackie Callaway, taking action for you.